Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 27, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the Dow, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is off educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to this charts and see what we see. What I see is all-time highs and all. And let's zoom down here and let's take a look and see what we see. The Dow is still trading below that yearly R3 and all, trading just below 450.64. Well, it's trading right around it's trading just below that 450.64. That is the high. It's just below its high, and all. That's what I see there. On this monthly chart, we are trading just below a quarterly R2, and all. We're still above the 9-10 moving average. We're looking very bullish. That high is actually getting kind of extended off of our moving average, so be careful, be careful, be careful. But that's what I see there. And all. Let's go down to this weekly chart and see what we see here. We can see this week we actually gapped up, and we gapped up above, this monthly R3 level. Like I was saying, it very seldom goes that high. And all. In order to get above that at that level, it ended up gapping above it. You see that a lot. Me and a friend, we was been looking at some stocks and looking at some different charts based on his indicators and his thing, and we see there are points where markets, at critical points in the market, it tends to do these crazy gaps like this and all. And yeah, it's just one of those things that we look at and all. But that's what I see here and all. We can see that we are still going higher, but we did end up forming a doji, but this is a short week, so just take that with a grain of salt. Let's go ahead and go down and take a quick look at, and you can see this week we did make all-time highs. Let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see here. On the weekly chart, it was just these 3 days here. Again, that gap up was happened on Monday. We ended up trading in a pretty tight range, I would say, for me, $6. But that's about normal for the Dow. But as you can see, the Dow can make some swings. But it was the holiday week. So what do you expect? We still ended up on the daily chart. We ended up making all-time highs today. The last day of the week before the holidays, but that's pretty much all I see here. We got to kind of wait and see what's going to happen next week. Next week we're going to be opening up real close to pivot, and as long as we could be above pivot, this thing is going to actually take off even higher. We've got to see how all the Good Friday stuff goes, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend and have a happy Thanksgiving. Those of you who are actually celebrating Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye. Wrong one. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.